Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to see your deleted photos in iPhone. So all we need to do is go into our photos right here. And then let's say that we have this photo right here and we want to delete it. So let's go ahead and delete this and delete the photo. Now if we scroll all the way down, you should be able to see under utilities, recently deleted. Now let's go ahead and go on this, and then you should be able to see all of your deleted files right here. And as you can see, it is right here. So this has been deleted, and we can either choose to recover it or to delete that item. And here you are. You have 29 days, and then you can choose to either delete it or recover it. It is all entirely up to you. But here it is. You're now able to access your deleted photos in iPhone, similar to a recycling bin. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.